Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to have a short tour at the Dyson HQ located at the St. James Power Station. Right now I'm on the walkway from VivoCity walking towards St. James Power Station, and that's where the Dyson HQ is. This is the entrance to the HQ, and for your info, it's not open to public. On the left you can see a Dyson showroom whereby you can test out some of their products like hair series, the vacuum, and also the air purifiers. And right now you're looking at the vacuum cleaner, which is, I believe, not available in Singapore. And on the center you can see some steel bins that are the original from the St. James Power Station. Over here you can see the office area, and there's a lift, a glass lift on the left hand side. And this is the entrance to the office. Let's take a look at the Dyson EV. So this project of manufacturing this EV in Singapore was shelved, and what you're seeing right now is a non-working prototype of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the inside of this vehicle. As you can see, it is not a working prototype. Nothing is done inside. You can see a steering wheel, and that's it. Along this hallway, you can see Dyson's product history. Did you know that Dyson has produced a washing machine in the year 2000 that was never sold to the consumer? It has two counter rotating drums that is replicating the hand wash function. And did you know that Dyson has produced a robot vacuum that has 80 sensors on it, and it was never sold in the year 2003. There are other products like the DC01, Dyson's first product, and also you can see that there is also the Dyson 360i, the vacuum cleaner that is not sold in Singapore, and finally the air blade. At the very end, there's also a showcase of James Dyson Awards winners. So here are some of the products on display. Unfortunately, I was not able to film the office area, but then we had a mini reception at the cafeteria, and check it out. This room is awesome.